4 things you must stop doing immediately. Most people ignore the last one, but it might be the most powerful truth you'll ever learn. Number 1, stop regretting the past. What's done is done. You can't change what already happened, but you can use the lesson to forge your next move. Number 2, stop worrying about the future. Worry is wasted energy. Trust your ability to face whatever comes, because fear of tomorrow steals today. Number 3, stop looking for happiness in other people. No one else carries the key to your joy. When you build happiness within, everything outside you falls into place. Number 4, stop underestimating your own strength. You are more resilient than you realize. Every setback is an invitation to grow, and each rise makes you harder to break. Here comes the most important part. The moment you stop regretting, stop fearing, stop seeking, and start trusting yourself, you'll become unstoppable. Now, if you think this content is good, tag that one friend who needs to see this, and don't forget to like, share, and follow.